Hello everybody, my name is Tana Bartels and this is my screencast report for ATM 101. The dates that I am reporting on are Monday, March 23rd, 2020 through Sunday, March 29th, 2020. As you can see on the screen, this is my weather observations throughout the week. My right thermometer has been a little bit higher than my left thermometer throughout the whole semester, as you can see right here. On Monday, the average temperature of my left thermometer was 21.65 degrees. Tuesday was 31.45 degrees. Wednesday was 29.5 degrees. Thursday was 17.75 degrees. Friday was 1.9 degrees. Saturday was 5.2 degrees, and Sunday was 3.2 degrees. I also recorded my pressure, as you can see right here on the screen. Right here we were able to see how my weather station compared to the NWS station, which they looked like they were pretty consistent. This is the barometric pressure, and that was also pretty consistent with the NWS station. Now I'm going to go over what the weather looked like Monday, March 23rd through Sunday, March 29th, 2020. So on Monday, March 23rd, 2020, we can see that we had several high pressure systems right here and here, and a couple low pressure systems as well. We have an included front right here with lots of rain. We have a warm and cold front right here with lots of snow and fog in the interior, and another included front off to the side. Now on Tuesday, March 24th, 2020, there was lots of snow, a low front, high front, several low pressure systems, and a couple high pressure systems. There was lots of rain down below, with some snow down below as well. On Wednesday, March 25th, 2020, we can see an included front, a warm and cold front with lots of rain. There is lots of rain and low pressure systems here as well, and in the interior of Alaska it looks like it's snowing again. On Thursday, March 26, 2020, we can see that there is still quite a bit of snow. There's a couple low pressure systems, a high pressure system, an included front, cold front, and warm front, with lots of rain as well. On Friday, March 27th, 2020, there seems to be lots of snow right here and right here, a couple low pressure systems and a couple high pressure systems. We see two low fronts and a high front. Two cold fronts and a warm front. Now moving on to Saturday, March 28th, 2020, there is still quite a bit of snow with some rain as well right here and right here. We can see in the picture 3 low pressure systems and a couple high pressure systems. And moving on to Sunday, March 29th, there is a couple high pressure systems, a couple low pressure systems, still quite a bit of snow sprinkled throughout, and some rain as well. We also have a cold front and a warm front. This last slide is a map and GOES image of March 25th, 2020. This is the slide that we'd already gone over, and then we have visible, infrared, and water vapor slides as well.